Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I think it's Sunday and it's almost 11:43 p.m. in the night and I am filming a video. Can you guys guess which video is this? Obviously it's not a prank video. I'm gonna do a video known as the LED light makeup challenge or neon light makeup challenge, but I'm gonna do LED light makeup challenge, and my LED is one of those lighting LEDs which you use for functions, maybe Diwali or something. You know those blinky lights with 3-4 colors in it, and I have that light. I'm gonna use it and I'm gonna do the challenge, the LED light makeup challenge. So yeah, I have nothing on my face. I'm not gonna do my face and stuff because I know my shade. I know what foundation and concealer I use. So it's not gonna make any difference. But I'm gonna do my eye makeup and the blush and the lips, the liner, the brows. Like I'm gonna do everything. Just forget the base. I'm not gonna do the base. So yeah, now without wasting further ado, let's get straight into the video. So guys, let's get started now. This is the light thing that you can see. I know it's pretty trippy, and there are like 3 shades in it, which is blue, red and green, and I don't know what I'm gonna do with it, but I hope that you guys can see me. So now let's get started. So first I'm gonna do my eyes, and for that I'm gonna pick an eyeshadow palette from this pouch, and that one is this one. I know the name of this palette because I know what palettes I have in the pouch. So this one is the Nikake New York palette, and now to choose a shade from this is the difficult thing to do right now, because in this all the colors are like looking same, and like you can hardly tell like which is orange and which is red. Because of this light, it is making it more difficult, right? So yeah, let's see. Well guys, I have no mirror in front of me. The camera का viewfinder is my only mirror that I have right now. Let's get started. So guys, I have this brushes kit over here with me, and I'm going to choose this brush. This is like an eyeshadow brush. It's like very fluffy. So I'm going to use this, and I don't know what shade I'm going to use, but I think I'll go for the second or maybe this third line. Okay, I think this one's like a little purplish. I don't know, it is just changing colors. Okay, let's see how it goes. Well guys, this is a challenge. I hope this is fun, and let's get started. Okay guys, so I applied eyeshadow, but I feel like, I don't know why this looks like neon blue. I don't know why. I'm like, it looks different though. Oh, I don't know what happened. This one, okay. Okay, so now I'm gonna use my eyeliner, and I'm going to apply my liner. Guys, as I said, I have no mirror. The camera's viewfinder is my only mirror that I can see. So I'm just gonna apply my liner. Don't even know how I'm gonna apply it, but yeah. Okay, this looks pretty better. Okay, this is nice. Okay, the next step. This thing freaks me out. Now it's time for blush. Again, I have a blush palette, and this is from Miss Claire. It looks like purple and red. Oh god. and I'm going to take this brush. And what shade should I put? Okay. I think this one looks pretty light than this one. I'll go for this one. So I have like one mascara and few lipsticks. So I'm gonna keep lipsticks aside or maybe down here, and I'm first going to apply my mascara. This one. This is from Sephora, and yeah, let's just try it out. I think this is nude color. This is oh no. Oh, what color was this? This looks white. Like, come on, it looks something else. No, I need some other lipstick on this. I'm gonna choose. I have 3 here. I'll go for this one. So, what kind of lipstick is this? Still, it looks the same. Okay. Better. Okay, I think that was it for my makeup because I don't want to do anything extra. And now I'm gonna just go for my hair. See? So I'm gonna keep it like this. So now without wasting further ado, I'll reveal how I am looking in real. Okay, so lights in 3, 2, 1. So you guys ready to see me? You wanna see how I look? Oh my god. Like, what is this? Oh, the blush that I put on and then I just went on like this and I'm like, look at my cheeks, guys. What the hell was this? I chose the wrong color. Now I can't even tell you which color was that. It looked all the same in the light, and now look at my face. Oh, and the eyes is pretty good. I can't complain about the eyes though. Okay, eyes are good. Liner. Okay, fine. Distracted. Very bad. Okay, this is at least feeling better. But what about the cheek and the nose and this chin? But this was fun. I had so much fun doing it, guys. Like, it was so amazing to do this challenge, but I'm really not happy with this. Look at the cheek. Come on. What is this? And this was a next level thing. Makeup bloggers never ever apply blush on your cheek. Especially when you are doing this makeup without any mirror. And I was continuously looking at the viewfinder. And now I can't stop staring at myself after seeing what I've done this. But yeah, anyways, I don't know how my parents will react looking at this video. I'm sure they're watching this video right now, but I just, anyways. So guys, if you watched this video and if you find this video funny, then please don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on the bell post notification so that you guys get updated every time I post a new video. And please don't forget to add me on all my social medias. The links are always in the description. Please don't forget to add me there as well. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Oops. Bye guys.